this is Haley with Modern Exterior, and today we are in Elm Grove, Wisconsin, taking a look at some gutters that are having issues, and just kind of, signs that you should watch out for as well, knowing that your gutter needs attention and replacement. So if we take a look at this gutter here, from the ground, it's extremely bowing out, and the reason being is we have a lot of sitting water here. And actually the downspout is on this far side over here, so they're not pitched properly. So that can be a very common problem. When they're not pitched properly, your gutters are going to start sagging, they're going to start falling down, and obviously water's not getting out how it should, and that's also going to possibly damage your fascia. If we go over this way, so also take a look at the gutter. Here you can see it pitched back this way, and it's just pitched into the roof, and there's a lot of debris stuck here. Water can't move uphill. So again, another issue, there's a hole here, and not all the water is going to be getting out there. But also you can see in these box corners as well, there's a lot of rust going on, and you can see from the seams that water is starting to drip down. So the problem with that is that's going to eventually get into your fascia and start rotting that out. So potentially it's kind of twofold. It's, your gutter's getting old, but it could potentially damage your fascia if you leave it going, because you're like, oh, it just seems dripping, that's not too bad. But it's actually not ideal at all. It's just going to cause more damage down the road. So some things to look out for, are rust at your seams, end caps, everything like that, and just the pitch. And when it's raining, like, step outside and just take a look at your gutters to make sure that everything's flowing properly how it should. Again, this is Haley with Modern Exterior, and we're in Elm Grove, Wisconsin.